Hello class, welcome to Practical 10. We are now moving into another critical concept in data structures, the queue. The aim is to implement a queue using a standard Python list, performing the three essential operations, enqueueue, dequeueue, and display. The concept, queue, FIFO, pedestrian or queue models a real-world line, like customers waiting at a checkout counter. It follows the FIFO principle, first in, first out. Front, head, the element that arrived first and will be served next, dequeued. Rear, tail, the element that arrived last and where new elements are added, enqueued. We are implementing this structure using a simple Python list. Code breakdown, the queue class 1. The constructor and initialization code line concept explanation def _init__ self. Constructor this runs when a new queue object is created, queue equals queue, self, queue equals. Internal storage we initialize the core data structure, a plain Python list. This list will hold all the items in our queue. Export to Sheets 2. enqueueue adding to the rear, the enqueue operation adds an item to the end, rear, of the queue. Code line concept explanation def enqueue, self, item, enqueue method accepts the item to be added. Self, queue, append, item, implementation we use the lists, append, method. Append is highly efficient in Python because it always adds to the end of the list, which serves as our rear, tail, of the queue. Export to Sheets 3. dequeueue, removing from the front, the dequeue operation removes the item from the front, head, of the queue. Code line concept explanation if len, self, queue, equals 0, empty check we first check if the list is empty. Attempting to dequeue from an empty queue is an underflow condition. Removed equals self, queue.pop, 0, implementation we use the lists.pop, 0, method. This method removes the item at index 0, the very front, and returns it. This item is the one that has been waiting the longest, FIFO. Export to Sheets. Note on efficiency, while using list.pop, 0, works perfectly for this practical, it's technically inefficient in Python for large lists because every time the first element is removed, all other elements must be shifted one position to the left. In real-world applications, we often use the Python library collections, DEC for a more efficient queue implementation. Char. Display code line concept explanation def display, self, display method that shows the current state of the queue. Print, queue, self, queue, output it prints the underlying list, showing the order of the items from front, left, to rear, right. Export to Sheets execution trace. The driver code shows the queue in action, 1, queue, enqueue, 10, queue, enqueue, 20, queue, enqueue, 30, items are added to the rear. OQ, 10, bis, these, 10 is the front, 2, queue, dequeue, 10 is removed from the front. OQ, 20, these, 3, queue, dequeue, 20 is removed. OQ, 30, 4, queue, dequeue, 30 is removed. OQ, 5, queue, dequeue, the empty check condition, len, self, queue, equals 0, is met, and the program correctly outputs, queue is empty. Cannot dequeue. This practical successfully implements the queue structure, demonstrating the crucial FIFO behavior. Thank you.